I'm Dr. Steve Weiner. I'm a facial plastic surgeon with a huge interest in ultrasound. And we're going to present to you Ultrasound Fundamental course for aesthetic injectors in conjunction with American Med Spa. We're going to do a course that's going to be very comprehensive. It's going to include didactic and hands-on. We're going to start with ultrasound physics. We're going to do something called ultrasound knobology. And then we're going to do a little bit of hands-on work. And we're going to do it on a partner, and we're going to see where the vessels are and what they look like and discuss the variations in the vessels. So why should you incorporate ultrasound in your practice? Well, anatomy is inherently variable, particularly vascular anatomy. And you need to know exactly what the anatomy is in that patient sitting in the chair if you're doing injections in high-risk areas. We all want to avoid complications, and we all want the most safe procedures for our patients. You can also use ultrasound to take care of complications. Obviously, vascular complications can be handled significantly better and more efficiently using ultrasound, guided injections right into the area of obstruction. These courses will start in Salt Lake City on Friday, April 8th, Atlanta, and on Friday, May 13th. And on July 22nd, we travel to New York City. Keep in mind that in conjunction with AmSpa, the AmSpa members get a significantly reduced price in their tuition. You can view pricing and further information at americanmedspa.org/ultrasound fundamentals.